Bug from Fortnite, but green.
Awesome. All right, so we're just going to do the plugs real quick. These are the part numbers from Toyota. They're iridium. So we'll be taking these probably 10 millimeters off, squeezing that connector, and then pulling these coil packs out, and then we'll be getting the plugs out. And that's your mechanic today. All right, these ones you just squeeze and pull up. They were a little stuck down here at the bottom, so we just used a little screwdriver because they're all dirty to pry it a little bit. So all the connectors are off, and now he's just going to hit it with a 10, take them out. Set them up there in the tray.
I think this is in the way.
So either you unplug it or you get the long one. Gotta squeeze it.
Is this?
See the squeeze on the top? Come look on this side, you can see it. Squeeze it right there at the top there with your point. Yep. Yep. Now walk right there. You go. Now try to hit it. There you go.
That's the last one?
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, so either we'll get a little pry tool if we have to pop these out, or we'll see if we can just wiggle them out like that. And then we just set these to the side, keep them clean, and we'll do that for all four. So before he runs down the battery, we'll get the right sockets to go in there. These little O-rings stay on here. It seemed like everything was good for the valve cover. So we'll just get the socket and extension and pull the plugs. These iridium plugs are size 14, so your 5/8 socket for a spark plug ain't gonna work. So we'll probably break them loose, and then maybe have to use a magnet to get them out. All right, this is the plug out. Nip and Denso, iridium. They've seen their better day. Also, that was the 14, super weird. And then these ones are also iridium, Denso. So, should be good to go. Toyota Lexus, genuine parts. They're pre-gapped. You don't do anything to them. We did have to use a magnet to get them out. So we'll drop it in with the magnet and we'll tighten it up. And we'll let Isaac show you that one on the next one. All right, we got number 2 in and out. Did an old school trick. We put this over the end of the plug and then it's got it started that way. We tried with the magnet, didn't work. So right now he's taking this one out. Once this one comes out, we'll show you the trick with the hose deal. Why is there some rock in here? What is that? Okay, so we think we got that one loose. Isaac popped it loose. He's gonna go in with the magnet, see if he can get it.
Should I try to pull it out?
For sure. Okay, then push that back out. Just see if it touches it. Cause maybe it's not loose enough yet.
Don't think it's loose enough.
All right, let's loosen it up.
I don't think that's loose enough.
Get that in there. It has a lot of threads on the spark plug. All the way down till you feel it click and turn it left. There, now it fell down, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the first time it wasn't. Keep going.
Should we try now?
You can try now. Okay. You can sit right there where you're at. Or in the middle. Okay, see what you got. You know, keep on pushing it. Don't need to. It's going to pull it out. Look at that. You've been fishing. All right. So open up one of those. Get another one. Let's take a look at this one. See how it looks. Looks. This thing will focus. There it goes. Looks similar to that one.
Hose time.
Okay. So take the cover off, sir. And we'll slip the hose on, Mr. Guitarist. And just needs to go over the same spot right there on the top. Okay, that's pretty good.
Pretty good?
Yep. Now we're gonna slowly, gently drop it down in here. Right down. Nice and easy. And then instead of jamming it in with the socket, we just spin it with the hose. Spin the hose until, make sure you're not pulling it up. It has to, so push down a little bit and spin the hose. Remember, it has to grab the hold of the threads and go down, and then you could be able to pull it back. If you could lift it back up right now, that means you haven't did any threads. You see how it keeps on, it came right out? So it hasn't grabbed a thread, so your angle's wrong. See how the engine's leaning straight? Leaning at a side? So you can't really come straight down at it because the spark plug's sitting like this and you need it laying back. See? I can hear it, right? So look at, I'm leaning it back here towards the back.
Mm-hmm.
Give it some turns, but keep it leaning in the back and pushing down. And wiggle it a couple times till she catches a thread or two, and that's all you need is it started.
Let me try.
I can hear it bouncing around, but she don't wanna. She hasn't started yet. Oh, you know why? Because I'm going lefty-loosey. Bruh. So watch when I go right.
There we go.
It's already caught.
Yeah,
It's tight.
I could feel it.
It's tight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Well.
my gosh, we're going lefty-loosey.
Yep.
I think it's in there.
Well, spin it a few turns. As much as you could get it with that, that means you don't want to just get it a couple and then cross thread it with the socket. So is it good? Can you pull up on it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, pull it. Pull it.
Oh, she's on there.
There you go. That's how you catch your finger.
Yeah.
All right. So leave that there. Then we're going to drop the socket on top of her.
This?
That's how you got it out. That's how she has to go back in. Yep. Yep. Careful now. You got a socket. You got that thing in there. Got to make sure that the socket goes over it. There you go.
There.
All the way down to righty-tighty. Try to turn it. Now it went down, so it wasn't good, right? Okay, try to get it as much as you can like that, and then put your ratchet on and make sure she's on righty-tighty. That's good. Hit it with the ratchet now. Not the electric. You do these ones by hand. The engine's aluminum.
This one?
Yep. I would guess that it's set up for lefty-loosey since that's the last thing he took off.
So, righty-tighty?
Mm-hmm. You didn't do nothing, right? If it didn't do nothing, nothing's changed, right? You gotta turn it one way or the other. There you go. Now try it. See if you can go righty tighty now. All the way down. Okay. See which way is it gonna go? Yep. That's righty tighty. Remember, righty tighty is always from the top. So if you came all the way around, you'd be going right. Because if you're looking at it from the bottom, you're going left, right? If you're at the top, you'd be going right.
Yep.
Give it a little bit of He-Man. You're probably good there. All right.
Yeah, there.
Cool. So we got 2 more to go. We'll do them all the same way. If we come up with something different, we'll record it. Get the hose on the last one.
The one that I just did?
Nope. So what I was going to show you is these little rubber gaskets. You can put them any which way.
This one, right?
Yeah, you need to get the new one out and put the new one in. Get the new one out of the box and drop the new one in. So, but if you try to just leave them on here, they kind of bounce. They don't really sit down right. So what you do is you put this little rubber on first, and it goes 2 different ways. You can see this way. So this faces the coil, this faces the block. So it goes around that lip, just like that. And then you drop your coil in, just like that. And now you'll see it go down and hear it click onto your plug. Or not. Well, the first one did. Let's see. See how the rubber's in your way. That's weird. It doesn't want to click onto the new spark plug.
That's odd.
Very odd. You got a plug in there, right?
Well, yeah. I put the new one. All the other ones are empty. There's no way.
I don't know why that one doesn't want to go in. Alright, well, we'll mess with that one.
Alright.
So, yeah, these ones don't snap. You can't. I don't know if you can see that spring down there. So that's what they bounce off of. So, yeah, you just push them down and then tighten them up. Alright, we got the plugs in. Seems to be running good. All set on that. Next is the oil change, so we don't want to get it too hot.